Let's do a quick little get ready with me, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys where I have been, because I know a few of you guys are wondering what's happening with the Natasha Denona updates, what has happened with the new launches, where did Christina go. That's what we're going to kind of talk about today. I literally, today I'm going to an event. So for today's video, I'm going to be getting ready with you guys with some of my favorite products. Rare Beauty is going to be the primer I'm going to use. I have to go to an event in the Hard Rock Casino here in Miami, and it starts at 5, and I have an hour to do my makeup, so I have a pretty good amount of time. But I know a lot of you guys have been asking, like, what happened? Like, where did I go? And I kind of gave you guys an update on Instagram at one point, and I also did like a quick little update on, what is that posting here on YouTube? Also did like kind of like a quick little update on my timeline here on YouTube for you guys. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Flawless filter underneath my foundation because I want to look a little glowy. But I am in the process of buying a house, and some of you guys already knew this. If you follow me on TikTok, I've been talking about it and the process, and I finally got the house. And since I have gotten the house, I have been just nonstop working on the house. So that's basically where I have been. I've been trying to fix up the house so I can hurry up and move in. I have a new filming studio that I am building out in the house. I have all the rooms that are getting ready, and it's just been a huge process. And as much as I'd want to sit down here and just film my YouTube videos like I typically do, I have to get the house ready and in order, and then when I get into the house, I can go back to like my regular schedule, have my times for filming and everything else that I do. It's just with an added element like moving and preparing home and all that stuff. I just don't have enough time to dedicate 100% into the channel right now, but that's only temporary. That's for right now, just because I'm in the process of moving. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I am definitely not going anywhere. I'm just delayed. Beginning of the year, I've had a lot of changes in the past year. I kind of specified some of them to you guys already. I bought a new place. It's just me and my daughter now. I figured some of you guys have already figured that out. But yeah, so I am currently newly single, and everything has been pretty good. Everything has been pretty good. So it's just a lot of little things that I need to finish off before I can like 100% be here and like really be here. So I think you guys understand that. And yeah, so that's what I have been up to. All right, I just did my eyebrows off camera. They look kind of massive today, but whatever. I'm using my Bobbi Brown corrector under my eyes. I am very late today. Like, I have not that much time. It's 4:04. I have like an hour, and I feel like between not knowing what I'm gonna wear and trying to film this today, I'm like, you know, I'm pushing it here. I really am pushing it here. But anyways, Bobbi Brown corrector. Need to correct those dark circles. Like I said, been going crazy. I've been having so much stuff to do. So funny, because I've been so busy, I actually got super bored yesterday because I've had so many things to do. Even though I don't have YouTube right now because I haven't been filming, that yesterday I was so bored out of my mind. I did not know what to do. Actually, you know what? I probably should have filmed a video yesterday, even though probably would have been like all over the place. Another issue that I'm having is a lot of my makeup, I'm packing it up to get into the new house. So I'm like looking for stuff right now and I can't find anything. Oh my gosh, this is such a mission. And then I don't have a mirror facing this way trying to do this makeup. But this is my favorite concealer, Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Flawless filter. So good. Literally covers everything. I haven't like gotten ready for like a real event in so long that I feel like kind of all over the place. Like, am I doing this in order? Am I doing this right? I feel so off. So I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer. I also have not really gone to many places since COVID started. So literally like events and stuff like that, I haven't really gone to many of them. So I'm wondering if I'm going to be like completely socially awkward at this event. Probably will be completely, but whatever. So the other thing I was going to tell you guys is Natasha Denona's launches. A lot of you guys were hoping that I would have gotten her launch, the newest one. I think they said Look Fantastic had released it early, but like I said, I've been moving, so I didn't even see that it had released early. I had no idea. I did see people had it on Instagram, and I was wondering, like, how did they get it Like, where did it come from? And then later on, somebody DM'd me with, hey, did you know that looked fantastic had it out early? And I was like, yeah, if I would have seen that DM earlier, maybe I would have, but I didn't see it on time. So I literally missed it, the early, I think it was like a fake launch though, right? Because you're not really supposed to have had it. So I will be purchasing her Valentine's launch, and I'm going to be purchasing also the lipsticks. I just have been waiting until I get everything together, and I'm going to buy it all at once. Probably just do like one big video showing all of that stuff, like the Valentine's and the lipsticks and everything. Because like I said, I've been a little bit on, I've been behind. I've been so behind. And I feel like if I do it all at once, it'll probably be a better video than like trying to buy them separately. So my ears look super red right now. So that is probably what I'm going to do. So definitely keep your eyes open. It's coming. I'm going to have the videos up very, very soon. It's just very, very soon. I think I'm going to be moving next weekend, and between next weekend and the next. So, I mean, like I kind of mentioned this before. I think by the end of this month, things are going to start getting back to normal where I'll have a schedule. I'll be able to like upload and everything. I look super tan. I tanned last night. I used that Loving Tan tanner, and I actually put it up my neck. I usually don't do the top part. And I think I look super tan. I love this thing. This is such a good bronzer. Anyways, I think I'm going to do a smoky eye today. We're going to look super sultry. We're doing the whole glamified look because I never get to go anywhere, and I'm so excited to do something super glam. So that's what we're going to do. This is my favorite blush cheek palette right now. I literally love this so much. I heard somebody saying that there was a problem with the new Natasha Denona palette, that the blush was too deep. I'm actually really interested in seeing if that's true, because I had that same problem happen with the Bloom. I think it was the Bloom one, and I didn't like it too much. I really like doing like this cold cheek thing that you kind of put on your nose a little bit. But I really want to see if that's the case, and I'm kind of nervous because I don't love dark blush. Even though I'm putting mine on darker right now, it's just because I have this like tan going. I need it to show, but I'm interested in seeing if it is kind of too deep for me. So today's theme for this party is like flamingo. Flamingo. It's like, could they have been any more creative with flamingo in Miami? So I'm wondering what I should wear, because they said like, didn't say pink attire, but they said you could wear pink feathers. I'm like, I don't know. The invitation sounded so tacky. I was like, what do I wear to this thing? So I'm almost gonna, like, I'm between wearing like a really cute pink mini skirt that I have, dress, like a mini dress, or a white dress with like a pink sweater, or just forget about the pink and just be like, I could do pink eyeshadow, but the thing is that I don't like the way I look with pink eyeshadow. So I think we're just gonna do a typical smoky eye using the Glam palette. But I figure you guys like to see me do eye looks sometimes, and I don't usually do tutorials anymore. So we're gonna start off with Blend, this color right here. This is my favorite palette to do like very like easy, foolproof looks. Like if I know I want to look a certain way, I just grab this palette because I just know it's going to come out good. So that is what we're aiming for. We're aiming for, we know that this is going to come out good, and I don't have to try to make it look good because I don't have all the time in the world to make this look good. So I'm good on time. I just still need to find the dress. I still need to find the dress, finish the makeup, fix the hair because I have to comb it out, and I don't know if I'm going to sleek back the front. But yeah, so I still have a lot of stuff to do, and I'm at 4:16. I have to be in the car by 5 because the reception, like cocktail hour, starts at 6. Should I do the eyeliner first? Ugh, I don't even know. Okay, so let's grab a little bit of this and put it in the crease. I'm just gonna do like an outward smoky. That's a really pretty color. It is such weird weather today. It's like windy, but it's not cold. But it looks like it's gonna rain like the whole day. It's looked like it's gonna rain. So I did do something really fun today. I hung lamps. That was fun. I have to remember that I could go deep on the eyeshadow because it's like, it's a night event, so I don't have to like worry so much. And I'm like trying to not do it so deep. Okay, let's get the dark one. That looks kind of cool. Let me put some eyeliner, but I can't do that on camera because I will completely mess up. Hold on. Okay, so I did the eyeliner, did like a little bit of a cat. I'm gonna fix that a little bit. And then I also lined the lower lash line. I'm grabbing a little bit of inner corner and I'm literally just gonna put that right here in the inner portion. So you see that little extra sparkle I just gave? It's just little, yeah, because it's a nighttime event, so I can have like glitteriness on the eyes. I'm gonna put on a load of mascara. A load of mascara. So Rare Beauty's mascara, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do with the lips. I think I'm gonna go neutral, very light on the lips, because I'm gonna make the eyes like very popping. Let's just load up on mascara. Give me 1 second. All right, lips. I am aligning my lips with the color Natasha from Natasha Denona. This is from her Dream collection, and I'm just gonna put the color Natasha on. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put some gloss. All right, some Forget the Filler from Lawless, my favorite topper. Maybe we'll put some highlight. Everything is so hard to find in this room right now. It's like crazy. I'm just Cheek Trio from Natasha. Good enough. I'm gonna use some of this MAC Fix Plus. This is like the little mini bottle. Set the face. And here is the final look. What time is it right now? 4:37, so that gives me 10 minutes? 10, yeah, woo. No, 20 minutes to find an outfit and leave. So I'm cutting it close. Anyways, what do you guys think? These are some of my favorite products that I used today, and I will be back with lots of new videos, lots of fun content. It is all coming very, very soon. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update and tell you guys I haven't gone nowhere. Natasha Denona videos are still coming. Everything is coming. It's just you got to give me a little bit of time to get into my new space. I'm also going to be showing you guys the space so we can decorate it a little bit together while I, you know, get situated and everything. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.